Hi, I hope you weren't expecting Cookie Kitten, because I'm here right now. I forgot. Yes. So, my name is Pola. I'm a polar bear, and I'm going to be here today instead of Cookie Kitten. She's just gone for a little while. I don't really know why, but I guess she just had to leave for a little while. Okay, it's just backup details, classified stuff, but I'll be here for now for, say, a few weeks of uploading. Weeks? Nah, more like a few days. Maybe if you comment that you like me, I'll stick around, but that's that. Anyway, this is just an introduction video. So, thanks for watching. Oh, right. Make sure to like and subscribe, and, make sure to comment if you like me. I really would like to come back, but, this is just a temporary situation. I hope you guys can deal with me, and, bye. I don't really have a name for you yet, so comment a name you would like as well for me to call you if I end up staying. Thanks, bye.